I think of my family, and I know how important they are to me, and I'd do anything for them. I would go without for them. And this makes a pumper or an employee, operations person or production person, more efficient, allowing them to get more done. Basically, in the upswings, when the oil is back up, they're going to make lots more money because they're going to be able to do the same thing with less effort.
Our technology really does save the producer or the operator time, their downtime. Should they have a spill, we can completely prevent spills from ever happening.
We've actually helped quite a few different types of people, from small operators to big operators and everybody in between. So it's really great being able to help people sleep at night. And that's a pretty awesome feeling.
We are here at the Texas Oil and Gas Alliance Show. We're here presenting today automation at an affordable price, which has never been done before in their industry, which is we basically made it an ADT security type of solution for them, so they don't have to spend a lot of money out of pocket. It's very low cost. They just get the features and the benefits. They don't have to invest in equipment and IT people and staff to do that. We bring that all to them in one turnkey package for one low monthly price.
We're going to show you a real working model, a simulator here at the Texas Oil and Gas Alliance Show of 2015. Here in just a few seconds, you're going to watch these tool pumps kick on, and it's going to make this pump run right here. What's going to happen at this point, we're going to rise the water, simulating an environment where salt water or crude oil is going to happen and overflow. So it's going to move pretty quickly. And as these chain of events unfold, you can look over here at this screen. We have a screen that's going to show the fluid levels rising and moving up. So what we're going to be doing here is creating an event where if at an oil and gas lease, they're about to have an emergency. What would happen in this chain of events is that normally no one would be there to shut it down. No one would be there to save the day. So now with what we have today, whether they're there or not, they're going to get a text alert, they're going to get notification, but let's just say they couldn't make it. We're going to shut that site down. We're going to prevent it. They'll be able to get in front of it. What I like to call this is being proactive, not reactive. Here we have an example. This would have been a text message that would have went to the owner, the operator, the pumper. It's multi-tiered. It can go to just the pumpers that you need to know, and then have a second tier. Should it be an owner operator, we want to know if it's not been taken, the alarm hasn't been cleared or taken back online. So this is an important message, because what this allows a pumper to do is be very proactive, because what pumpers do, these are the guys that maintain the sites. They're responsible for a day-to-day basis, going out on site, maintaining the oil and gas sites. They're the eyes and ears of everything going on there. Well, they don't know until they get there what they have to deal with. With this system, they can log in the morning, they look at what sites may or may not have a problem, so now they're being proactive rather than be what I call a figure eight. You know, going through the sites, through the daily motions of what they do. But what if they got into a site and they had a problem, and another one had a problem, but he's responsible for that problem? This allows them to be very reactive to what they're responsible for and controlling it.
This actually saved us from a spill one evening, so we've been very happy with it. It's been very beneficial to our company. We've had a fabulous experience with them. In fact, I'm addicted to their website. I check it every hour to look at our oil and our tank levels, and it's very user-friendly. Our investors have access to it. Very good service for us. One spill that we saved would have saved 10 years of what we pay for this. It's no question it's been very beneficial.
None of our folks are contractors. They're all employees.
My cell phone is right there on my card, and I actually want customers and anybody to call me personally. I'm always there to answer the phone, and our guys as well at the office and our other guys out in the field as well. We put our cell phone there so you can call our cell phone, not just the company line.
Technology has come so far just in the last few years, and I see Quest right at the cutting edge of that, not only because you're enabling the pumper to look at his laptop and decide which wells to go to first. All these pumpers, they got to try to run these wells, and they go to their problem wells first, hoping there isn't a problem. If they're able to dictate there's a problem and go right to that well first, it's going to make their life a lot easier and more productive.
It's like having a car with only liability insurance. You know, why would you not have full coverage to make sure that you could protect yourself all the way through?